Margie TV. Copyright. Oh boy. This song is for Twinny My Loves. Yeah, I understand. There's no truth for us here. So myself thinking there was. You made it clear. Never be right. You were all alone. Now we gotta say goodbye. And I got to stay strong. Tell me one more time, you're careful. Tell me one more time, you're gone. Tell me one more time, hold me down. If I would explain it to my heart, it's better never over now. Tell me what I can see it the way it's supposed to be. Tell me when I'm better off without you. The simply forget about you, darling. We understand. Won't you please explain it to my heart? Never try. Tell me the reasons why we can't be together now. It's my mind. It's breaking my heart. I have to let you go. Now I'm baby, love I know. How do I explain it to my heart? And rock and over now. And then we're down to see it the way it's supposed to be. Tell me I'm better off without you. There's everything I about you, darling. Won't you please? I'm just saying, explain it to my heart. Can't I screw up the words? Say I'm better. Spend our time together. We're free. Say to me, explain it to my heart. I put the apron on so I don't get the water splashed on me. Rebel Rocka! Happy birthday to Moody Gucci Calkins. I'm better off without you. Something again about you, darling. I understand. Won't you please explain it to my heart? River over now. Tell me that God was here the way it's supposed to be. Tell me I'm better off without you. There's everything I get about you, darling. We understand. Won't you please explain it to my heart? Sunny Stormy, meow 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 meow. See you in a little bit.